Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at Chinese and other Asian animals. Panda. Females increase their scent markings and become more vocal when sexually receptive. There is intense, aggressive male competition. The males will lunge and swat, grabbing at each other's neck. The male will then stay close to the female and charge at any intruders. Male giant pandas have one of the smallest penises relative to body size in the animal kingdom. The female lowers her front end, arches her back down, and raises her tail end up so the male can get in position. She then has to push back on him. Once copulation is complete, they let out bleating noises. Their mating is polygynous. One male with two or more females. This is Feeny at the Adelaide Zoo. Przewalski's horse. It is the only true extant wild horse in the world today. At one time they were extinct in the wild but have been reintroduced to the native habitat in Mongolia. It has a massive head with a long face and powerful jaw. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Chiru is a medium-sized bovid native to the Tibetan Plateau. Adult chiru are up to 1.3 meters in height and weigh up to 40 kilograms. Only adult males have 58 centimeter long horns. Taken, found in the eastern Himalayas. Albino Burmese python. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. Wild individuals can range up to 5.74 meters. Gibbon. They have strong hook-shaped hands for grasping branches. They can swing through the trees up to 56 kilometers an hour and leap 9 meters. They walk on 2 feet. And notice that they are tailless. And here are 2 of the black-crested gibbons. Spoonbill. Long-legged wading birds. The beautiful red golden pheasant. Amur leopard is found in northern China and Russia. They differ from other leopard subspecies by having thick fur. Males measure up to 1.36 meters with a tail up to 90 centimeters. Shoulder height is up to 78 centimeters and weighing up to 48 kilograms. The term Chinese leopard refers to the Amur leopard, the Indo-Chinese leopard, and the Indian leopard. The Indo-Chinese leopards are more of a rusty red color and are native to southern China and Southeast Asia. The Indian leopard is found in southern Tibet. Siberian tiger or Amur tiger. The longest male measured over 3 meters in total length, including a tail just over 1 meter and a chest girth of 127 centimeters. South China tiger is possibly extinct in the wild. It's a similar height to the Bengal tiger, but differing in its skull and coat characteristics. Indo-Chinese tiger is smaller than the Bengal and Siberian tigers. Chinese water dragon. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.